Attention! There has been a 20% decline in the gold-silver ratio. Let us understand the formula to calculate the gold-silver ratio. It is the gold price divided by the silver price. For example, suppose the gold price is 97,500 and the silver price is 1,05,000. So, if we use the ratio formula 97,500 divided by 1,05,000 equals 92. If this ratio moves above, then gold becomes more expensive than silver and vice versa, provided there is also uncertainty in the market. In the last 50 years this ratio has made a low of 30 and a high of up to 90. As per reports, the current gold-silver ratio is around 86, which indicates that gradually, geopolitical tensions and concerns are sorting out. Let me also update you that during the COVID time, this gold-silver ratio touched 126. That means people invested more in gold as there were no economic activities. So, we should also keep a tab on the ratio while investing.